In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert rows in Smartsheet. If you're working in a project sheet and you simply need a new line to capture the next task, update, or note, the fastest way to do it is right from the bottom of your grid. This approach is perfect when you want to keep things simple and just continue building your list from the end of your sheet without interrupting your flow. Open your project sheet and head to the very bottom of your existing rows. As you reach the end of the list, look for a small plus sign that appears just beneath the last row. It's designed to be easy to spot when you're at the end of your data. That plus sign is your quick add control for a new row. All you need to do is click it. The moment you select the plus, Smartsheet adds a brand, new, blank row directly below your current last row. That's it. You've successfully added a row. You'll notice the sheet expands to include the new row, the numbering updates automatically, and the new row aligns with your existing columns. If your columns use default values, column formulas, or formatting rules, those may carry into the new row, so it fits your structure without extra setup. The row is ready for you to type in and start capturing information immediately, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. If you're scanning the bottom and don't see the plus sign, there are a few common reasons. You may be in a filtered view that hides the true last row, so the end of the list may not actually be visible. You could also be looking at a read-only version of the sheet, such as when your permissions are set to viewer or the sheet is locked for edits. In those cases, you'll be able to look but not add. Also, make sure you're in the grid of a sheet, not a report or a specialized view that behaves differently. Once you're on the actual sheet with edit access and you're truly at the bottom, the plus should be there. This simple click-to-add method is great for quickly growing your project list, logging updates as they come in, and maintaining momentum without hunting through menus. It keeps your process clean and intuitive, especially when you're building out a sheet in real time. And that's all there is to it. Go to the bottom of your rows, click the plus sign, and your new row appears, ready for whatever you need to add next.